If you can see there, mostly is there up. Is there up. You can see them. And I have this one here. That one. I love that. And this is nice because you can put things here inside. I can't live with this one. See, you can open that one. You can put something in here. Have a drawer. And this. Oh, wait. See, I put something here inside here. See, nice. And then you can open here. There. Open like that. See, nice. Okay. Thank you, Aloha, my dear. Have a good day. Have a good weekend with your mom and dad and family. Okay. Bye-bye. Nakisumbi. Siya ang iyong ina na ngayoy lumuluha. Siya ang iyong ina na sa'yo'y nagmahal. Mar, thank you. Na sa'yo'y kamsangtan at Lina. Salamat, Mar. Malapit na din ako mag-end. Aloha, thank you ha. Ano? May bago kang upload? Himala ako. Ano? 3 days na ako hindi nag-upload sa ano ko ah. Puro lang short in-upload ko. Tsaka live. Sakit tayong ano, sakit ng ano ko, mukha ko sa sabon. Sisikok, iwan na kita dyan. Maga kasi ako mag-work ngayon. Ano na, 9:00 na dito. Dahil may bisita kami mamaya. Wala, nahulog pa yung cellphone ko, di ba? Ang galing ko, nahulog pa yung cellphone ko.